Hi everyone. This video is going to show how the students would access digital notebook OneNote in Teams. When they log into the class and go to the subject channel, they need to click on the Notes tab. This tab launches the digital notebook OneNote. They need to click on this arrow and this will bring up the collaboration space, content library and the dedicated student space. They need to click on the content library section. Under that, they will have a section called SEA. When they click on that, it will bring up the page SEA where the task will be assigned to the students. Please note, the children will be able to read and view the task in this page. However, they cannot edit this page. Once the student has completed the activity and would like to share the work with the teacher, the student needs to go to the dedicated student space identified by his or her name. For example, Abhinav has a student space named after him. So when he clicks on this tab, it opens up different sections for different subjects. For example, for the science task, he needs to click on the science section. This opens different chapters. If this assignment is for chapter number 2, he needs to click on the chapter number 2 and it will open up a page for him to upload his work. Now, Abhinav can go to this page and he can upload his work. Either he can write down the work using the writing box like this, or he can insert his work by choosing the Insert tab and uploading the file. Insert as attachment, choose the file from his laptop or computer and open it. The student will also be able to upload the picture of their work as they upload any other picture. These are the various ways of uploading the work in their individual student spaces. Please note that this page will be available to the teacher and the student for feedback and review comments. However, other children will not be able to access this page. This is the personal dedicated space for every child. This is how we are going to use the digital notebook in Teams. Thank you.